Hello everybody. My name is Ellie. Welcome to my channel, where I share some amazing health and fitness content and some great tips on how to stay fit and healthy on a daily basis. In this video, we will be going through best keto diet plan to lose weight fast. First of all, you have to understand that keto diet plan is a special kind of diet plan. The amount of carbohydrates in the keto diet plan is very less. High fat is also consumed in the best keto diet plan. Everyone wants to know about the best keto diet plan to lose weight. Keto diet plan is also known as ketogenic diet. A healthy diet plan is needed for a healthy life. In recent years, obesity has emerged as the biggest problem in the world. Due to obesity, people are victims of diabetes, blood pressure, heart attack and bone diseases. Many types of diet plans are in vogue to remove obesity. But keto diet plan is considered the most effective in reducing weight. For those who are starting to lose weight, information about the best keto diet plan is very important. If you do not follow keto diet plan and chart properly, then you may also fail to lose weight. Keto diet for weight loss has also been the most searched diet plan. If you are also adopting a keto diet plan for weight loss, then keep these things in mind. Keto diet plan is the most used weight loss diet plan to reduce obesity. Let's know some special things about keto diet plan. Key points of keto diet. First of all, you have to understand that keto diet plan is a special type of diet plan for weight loss. The amount of carbohydrates in the keto diet plan is very less. High fat is also consumed in weight loss keto diet plan. Keto diet plan is more successful in weight loss because it brings the body into a ketogenic state. In this condition, the body starts taking energy from fat instead of carbohydrates. When the body starts taking energy from fat instead of carbohydrates due to keto diet plan, then the weight loss accelerates. The metabolic rate of the body also increases with the keto diet plan. In the keto diet plan, the body has less than 40 grams of carbohydrate food throughout the day. If you are also adopting keto diet plan for weight loss, then you can include these foods. Low-carb vegetables. Vegetables that do not contain starch are low in calories and carbohydrates, but high in many nutrients. Most vegetables contain very little carbohydrates, like kale, broccoli and cauliflower and cabbage, etc. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high-fat foods and fall under the category of low-carb. They are high in fiber, which helps in filling your stomach and absorbs very few calories. You can include almonds, cashews, pistachios, chia seeds, flax seeds, etc. In ketogenic diet. Curd. Plain Greek yogurt. Yogurt is high in protein. Although it contains some carbohydrates, it can still be included in a ketogenic diet. 150 grams of curd contains 5 grams of carbohydrates and 11 grams of protein. Whenever you eat curd, mix cinnamon and walnuts in it. Its taste is very good. Butter. If you want to include fat in the diet, then eat butter. Butter has very few carbs. It is also easily digested, but eat it only in small quantities. It is very good for weight loss. Cheese. You will find a lot of variety of cheese in which carb is very less and is high in fat. 28 grams of cheddar cheese will provide 1 gram of carbs and 7 grams of protein. Avocado. A medium avocado contains about 9 grams of carbohydrates and a high amount of potassium, in addition to several vitamins and minerals. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has unique properties that make it a suitable addition to a ketogenic diet. The oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, which are taken up directly from the river and converted into ketones or used as a rapid source of energy. Coconut oil helps obese people to lose weight. Eggs. Eggs are great for a ketogenic diet. 1 large egg contains 1 gram of carbohydrates and 6 grams of protein, which can make it an ideal food for a ketogenic lifestyle. Eggs help in stabilizing the blood sugar level. Seafood. Seafood, which includes fishes, crabs and shrimps, is a very favorable diet. Vitamins. Potassium and selenium are found in salmon and other fish, in which there is no carb at all. Therefore, you can make these things a part of your keto diet. Meat and chicken. Meat and poultry. Meat is considered a staple food for ketogenic diets as they are low in carbohydrates and known to be rich in B vitamins and several minerals. Meat and poultry are also a great source of high-quality protein, which is very helpful in strengthening muscles. Berries. Many fruits cannot be eaten in a ketogenic diet because the amount of carbs in them is very high. But the amount of carb in berries is very low and the amount of fiber is high. Fibers are found in blackberries and raspberries, which make the digestive system strong. If you are also looking for keto diet plan for weight loss, then I hope you like this video. Apart from these foods, if you want to know keto diet for weight loss, then you can tell us through message. To find out more about health and fitness content, visit more video this channel.